Okay, now sing. Sing. Twinkle, twinkle. Yay! Now, what do you say? What do you say? That's a bow. Woohoo! Bow to mommy.
Okay, one more song.
One more.
Okay, one.
Yeah.
Your fish song, Mel.
Okay, how about...
Let's go Giants!
Mommy, can you protect this? Mommy, can you protect this while I'm doing this?
Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
Let's do a new song.
Hold on.
Okay.
Buy a new song, Mel.
All right. Sorry, Mel. Step off the stage now. We got Noah, Lonnie, Domingo. Shh, shh. You hush, hush. Shh. Your act is over. Here we go. Here we go.
Ate's turn.
Once Melalea lived in a house, and with her little friend Ate. And we always had play dates every morning, every day. We always took a walk and ate lunch. So we blew bubbles after, and we always be friends. And we love you.
Woohoo! Yay, Ate! Yay!
Thank you.
Okay,
That's a
new
mwah.
song, Mel. No, fishy song.
Woo!
New song, Mel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Where'd they get that from?
I don't know. Elvis. About 1, 2, 3 number song.
Yay!
Thank you very much.
Phew. Yes,
Where's
baby.
the other roof?
Oh, let's get it. Let's raise it. Let's create that roof.
Sing
All right.
your
We'll see
fishy
you
song.
later.